before going for this kind of an elevator, what were the doubts that you are having? Like, you must have considered a lot of things before going for a home elevator.
My main concern was like the pit.
Okay.
So usually they are about half, sometimes about 3 feet, 4 feet pit.
Right.
But that's the time when I started surfing through the brands.
Okay.
And then I came to Tyson, which says no pit or just few
Right.
So that was a catch for me.
Making the final decision, what were the key points that you were really got attached to and you found that this is something which this company has got to offer which no other company is offering?
Always the safety part.
Right.
So it had all that safety parameters, list of safety parameters, which were mainly meant for the kids' operations.
Okay.
That was the main catch here.
Right.
So yes, it complied with that, and even the look wise.
Okay.
So we had the looks as well, the glass door, and I don't want all side glass because of my construction. But yes, the front face, dark, the glass doors, and the colors which we got, the choice of colors.
Right.
That suited us as well. So first was safety, and then the design part.
Right. So do you think this elevator adds value to your property?
Very much, yes. I mean, when first you come, you see the elevator. It's not the standard elevator which you see in malls or offices or XYZ places.
Right.
So when they see this, okay, it is as if it's like designed for us.
Okay. So when we say it's an extended part of your family, so it really does.
Very much, yes. It goes with the flow.
Right.
So if you see a normal commercial, they have that aluminium or stainless steel. It does not look like meant for the house itself.
Okay.
Or meant for the design of the house.
Right.
This matches that. You can see, right?
Yeah. I have loved to take the ride on his elevator. I'm really glad that he allowed me to do it. And sir, what would you recommend for people who are now planning to have elevators at your house?
So that's what it depends on their requirements. Mainly for families, of course, with kids.
Right.
I mean, this does all the it satisfies all the requirements for usage by kids. Even both my daughters, 12 and 9 years.
Right.
They happy to use it, and I am at least worried now.
Okay.
Because of the safety parameters.
Right. So do you think Tyson Group is the best brand in terms of home elevators?
I can't say best because I'm not authorized to certify it. But of course, if anybody asks me, Tyson will be the first one to recommend.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Vijay. Thank you for your kind words.
No problem.